Last winter, I craved a perfectly seared steak, so I fired up my old indoor grill. 10 minutes later, my kitchen was engulfed in a thick, greasy cloud of smoke, and every fire alarm in the house was screaming. I ended up ordering takeout in defeat. Finding an indoor grill that actually sears without gassing out your home is a nightmare of trial and error. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 smokeless indoor grills on the market to save you that frustration. Stick around, because our number 1 pick completely changed how I cook indoors. 5. Techwood 1500W Smokeless Grill. This unit caught my eye right out of the box because of its sleek design and the inclusion of a heavy-duty tempered glass lid. It features an LED touch control panel that allows you to adjust the temperature anywhere from 220 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The idea here is that you can lock in flavors and juices while monitoring your food through the glass cover. During my testing, I found the nonstick surface to be fairly effective. You can cook with little to no oil without leaving burnt-on residue behind, which is a big plus for healthier meals. The grill plate itself is entirely removable and dishwasher safe, which theoretically makes cleaning up after a large family dinner a relatively painless process. It even comes with interchangeable grill and griddle plates, allowing you to swap between frying morning eggs and grilling evening steaks. The smokeless technology on this model relies on an internally circulated smoke extraction fan and water cooling filtration. When I fired it up to cook some marinated chicken, the fan did manage to absorb a fair amount of the visible smoke, keeping the kitchen air reasonably clear. The water tray beneath the heating element catches drippings before they can burn, which is the primary source of smoke in traditional grilling setups. However, spending significant time with the Techwood revealed some frustrating drawbacks. Despite the 1500W power rating, the overall build feels incredibly lightweight, causing the entire unit to slide around dangerously on the countertop whenever I used a spatula to flip heavier cuts of meat. Furthermore, you practically have to crank the temperature dial far past the recommended settings to get anything resembling a decent sear, as it struggles to maintain consistent high heat. 4. Elite Gourmet EMG 980B Maxi-Matic. At first glance, this 14-inch electric indoor grill boasts a generously large cooking surface that feels perfect for feeding a hungry family or hosting a small indoor gathering. It features a straightforward plug-in temperature controller with a dial that goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, aiming to deliver that classic outdoor barbecue experience right on your kitchen counter. When I threw a batch of burgers and hot dogs onto the grate, the sheer capacity was definitely impressive. I was able to comfortably fit enough food for 4 people without crowding the surface. The grill also comes with a domed, tempered glass lid that helps retain moisture, preventing your meat from drying out while acting as a barrier against messy grease splatters. The drip pan underneath works decently well to catch excess fats, keeping the meal leaner. Cleaning the Elite Gourmet is relatively simple since the major components detach without much fuss. The non-stick coating allows food residue to slide right off under running hot water, meaning you won't have to spend your evening aggressively scrubbing burned bits with a harsh sponge. For basic, everyday grilling tasks like cooking vegetables or simple chicken breasts, it gets the job done without overcomplicating the process. But much like our number 5 pick, this grill has some glaring issues once you put it through its paces. During my tests, I immediately noticed that the heat distribution is horribly uneven. The center of the grill gets blazing hot where the electrical element inserts, while the outer edges barely simmer, forcing you to play musical chairs with your patties just to get them all cooked evenly. 3. Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill. This model represents a noticeable jump in overall quality and performance, delivering a much more reliable cooking experience. It utilizes a heavy-duty, cast aluminum cooking grate with an embedded heating element, which ensures that the heat is transferred directly to your food rather than being lost in the air. What I really appreciated during my time testing the Chefman is how effectively it handles smoke. It uses a smartly designed water tray system that sits directly beneath the grate. When fat and juices drip down through the channels, they immediately hit the cool water instead of a scorching hot surface. I cooked a batch of thick-cut sirloin steaks, and the kitchen remained remarkably free of smoke, meaning my sensitive fire alarm stayed completely silent. The searing capability here is quite impressive for the price point. The grill heats up quickly and maintains a tight temperature cycle, so you get genuine, restaurant-quality grill marks on your proteins. It features distinct cooking zones, allowing you to sear a steak on the hottest part of the grill while gently warming your vegetables on the edges. The embedded heating element really proves its worth here by providing a consistent, aggressive sizzle. While I'm overwhelmingly positive about the Chefman's performance, there's a minor quirk worth noting. The water tray can be slightly awkward to fill at the sink and carry over to the grill without spilling, so I recommend filling it with a pitcher while it's already seated in the base. Despite that small inconvenience, the cleanup is an absolute breeze. Both the nonstick grate and the water tray are completely dishwasher safe, making this a highly dependable and low-maintenance option for apartment dwellers. 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, $25,360. If your primary goal is achieving a magnificent, crusty sear on a thick cut of meat, this grill is an absolute powerhouse. It is specifically designed to hit a searing temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit quickly and hold it there, locking in juices and flavor in a way that rivals traditional outdoor gas grills. When I put this unit to the test with a pair of thick filet mignons, the results were spectacular. The high heat creates gorgeous crosshatch grill marks, and the meat comes out incredibly tender and juicy on the inside. It features a convenient viewing window built right into the lid, allowing you to keep a close eye on your food without constantly lifting the cover and letting precious heat escape. The smoke management on the Hamilton Beach Grill is highly effective, largely due to its extra-large drip tray. The tray fits perfectly underneath the cooking surface, directing all the messy drips away from the heating element. While it might emit a tiny bit of steam and scent when cooking exceptionally fatty meats, it is virtually smokeless under normal conditions. It completely eliminates the fear of smoking out your living room during a winter barbecue. Maintenance is beautifully straightforward. Once you're done feasting, the grill plate, the extra-large drip tray, and even the removable lid can all be tossed straight into the dishwasher. You don't have to worry about the non-stick surface peeling easily, and you spend zero time soaking or scraping. It delivers consistent, high-heat performance, incredible flavor, and hassle-free cleanup, making it one of the absolute best dedicated indoor grills you can buy. 1. Ninja Sizzle Pro XL/Foodi Smart XL Series. This isn't just an indoor grill. It is a complete culinary game changer that redefines what you can achieve on a kitchen counter. Powered by advanced edge-to-edge heating and cyclonic grilling technology, this machine circulates rapid hot air entirely around your food. This creates a surround searing effect that perfectly browns your meals without ever needing to flip them. The standout feature of this powerhouse is the smart thermometer. Instead of guessing when your meat is done or cutting into a steak to check the color, you simply insert the probe, select your protein and desired doneness, from rare to well done, and let the machine do the rest. During my tests, I cooked a thick pork roast and several steaks, and every single piece of meat came out flawlessly cooked. The grill literally alerts you when it's time to take the food out to rest. Beyond traditional grilling, the versatility here is unmatched. Depending on the exact model in the series, it functions as an air fryer, roaster, baker, and dehydrator. You can sear a batch of steaks on a high-density grill grate, and then swap to the crisper basket to air fry French fries using a fraction of the fat. The XL capacity is massive, easily fitting up to 6 steaks or 2 dozen hot dogs at once, making it the ultimate tool for feeding a large family or meal prepping for the week. Finally, the smoke control system is incredibly advanced, utilizing a temperature-controlled grate, a splatter shield, and a cool air zone to virtually eliminate smoke entirely. Cleanup is just as premium as the cooking experience. All the removable parts are coated in high-quality, durable ceramic non-stick material and are entirely dishwasher safe. If you want absolutely perfect results, zero guesswork, and unparalleled versatility, the Ninja series is the undisputed king of indoor grilling. Ultra. That's all for today, folks.